In this video, I'll guide you through each crafting step to help you make your own tool rack. If you are ready, let's get started. You can find pattern link and my shop link in the description. Please, choose to right size for your printing paper, and then you need to measure the test area to make sure the pattern is correct size. If everything is in order, we can start to prepare the pattern. First, I will roughly cut out the pattern pieces, then glue pieces on a thick paper, which it is called Bristol paper. And as a final process, you need to cut pattern pieces and give them their final shape. Our pattern pieces are ready. There are 5 different pattern pieces and they have a label on them explaining which part of the tool rack and how many of the same piece are you need to cut. To create a compact structure for this project, you should use a tough and rigid leather. I used natural vegan tanned leather with a thickness between 1.8 to 2.2 meters. Place the pattern on the leather and start rough cutting. Check the rough cut pieces with me. If everything is fine, let's move on to the next step. Preparing the top piece, I will prepare top piece using 2 layers of leather to get more solid structure, but it is also possible to make it with 1 layer of leather. Actually, it is up to you, and I think it should be fine either way. You need to apply glue to roughly cut pieces and glue them together. I used a tape to fix the pattern on the leather. With this step, it is ready for punching and cutting. Punch holes in the corners of the rectangles so you can cut them more easily, and I used 5mm hole puncher to do that. And finally, you need to use a 2.5mm puncher to drill the rivet connection holes. Cut out rectangular pieces. At the end of this step, we have a top piece with several different slots on it. I organized these slots according to the size of my tools. You can also organize them according to your needs, and to be honest, it was the most challenging part of the process, but definitely worth it. Take your time, take breaks, and make sure your knife is sharp enough. Cutting bottom piece. Cutting gusset. All the parts are ready to be assembled and look great. We will only use rivets to join all the parts together. Let's start preparing the bottom piece. We will put the reinforcement piece on top of the bottom piece. For this, we first need to mark the area on the bottom piece to apply glue, then we apply it and glue it together. preparing gusset parts. I skive the edges of the gusset pieces before joining them together. It helps the gussets to fit together easily. This is an optional step, by the way. Either way will be fine. We will connect the gusset pieces with rivets. When we do this for each corner, our gusset piece will be ready. Putting together all pieces. First, we will attach the rivets to the bottom piece. Then we will join the gusset and the bottom piece together, and after that, assemble this ready-made piece with the top piece. We need to apply glue to the openings in the corner and close them. the tool rack is taking its final shape, and I like the way it looks already. The last step is to put the finishing touches with burnishing. You need to sand before burnishing to get smooth edges. If you don't have enough experience with this, you can watch me carefully to get an idea of how to do it. It is my new assistant to move with me and bring my tools everywhere in my workspace. I've customized the tool slots to perfectly fit each tool's shape and size, and the best part? You can also adjust the slot sizes to fit your own tools. Another thing about design that no sewing required. Instead, we're using rivets and extra layers of leather to ensure this rack is tough and built to last. Thanks for watching. Happy crafting until next time.